Okay, so we got the ProForm 5000 brought in the front door. Okay, this tube with those two holes and this tube with those two holes will meet up with this side and the other side. So, this isn't really very heavy, it's just awkward. So those tubes go right on in there. Being careful not to pinch the table. Okay, you can see this pin goes through that hole. Then you're in place. Now the screws will go in back. Okay, to get this upper hand cover on, you got a post and a post and a post that go through those three holes, and you run the screw up from the bottom. The hardest part is getting it aligned to get it started. The plan was to put it inside this small alcove closet that's about 80 inches long and about 40 inches wide. And we got it in there. It barely fit, but we got it in there.